How do I pause or resume my LISTSERV subscription? From the LISTSERV homepage, use the main navigation menu and log in. Click on the list of interest to open the list homepage. Then use the side menu and click on Subscribe or Unsubscribe. On this screen, check the box labeled Mail Delivery Disabled Temporarily or No Mail, followed by Update Settings. Now your subscription to this list will be on pause. To resume mail delivery, uncheck this box, followed by Update. If you want to pause your subscription to multiple lists, click on Subscriptions under the Subscriber Options menu. This screen shows all the lists that you are subscribed to on this site, along with your subscription settings. Use the checkboxes next to the lists for which you want to pause or resume your subscription. Scroll down to the bottom of the screen and use the pull-down menu to select either Mail or No Mail, followed by Update. Note that you can still access and browse the list archives and even post messages to the lists. You just won't receive any mail from them until you resume your mail delivery. Thank you for watching.